What's up guys, Kyle here with Norstar Company. This year we took the time to look at our consumers' feedback and wanted to make adjustments that would not only improve on the DWB's design, but also its function. The new look of the DWB is the result of that feedback. Our DWB brings an 8-inch monoframe I-beam into the fold, making it 2 inches shorter than our DTB. Since the changes to the DTB were so well received, we decided to roll them out to all of our W Series models as well. An aggressive body design adds to the overall look of this bull, with all 4 tapered corners giving you our sleekest and most visibly striking overhaul yet. One of the biggest changes we made was reinforcing the top rail of the dump body. As you can see, this is a fully enclosed top rail, giving you more stability and protection to your trailer's most crucial hauling structure. Another improvement we made was to the rear gate. You have a completely new latch system that not only gives you easier access to your dump, but the pins and latches are simpler to use. The rear gate latching system will now be housed inside the corner post, offering greater protection to the operating components. Speaking of operating, we did away with the previous ramp system and tucked them in the middle of the trailer and removed the traditional ramp door flaps, making them easier to access and put away when not in use. A new stylized single brake diamond plate fender and a new jack mounting system was revised to allow for easier jack installation. Corrosion-resistant tarp tail rod and crank handle hardware has also been incorporated based on consumer feedback. The DWB comes in standard configurations only, but should have all the options to satisfy the needs of any serious dump user. Available in either 14-foot or 16-foot, 7-gauge flooring is still standard on these models, along with a fan favorite oversized front toolbox. It's the same tough bull with a new hard-hitting look, and it's still backed by our ironclad warranty. New models are shipping out and have been hitting our dealers' lots. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit our website or check it out for yourself by visiting a dealer near you today.